Elva. Baby. My only baby left by the original.
When did you get him? When you were 28?
Yeah. Oh,
Look at this sweetheart.
yeah.
Oh.
Charlie. Okay. I'm going to get that squirt bottle. You want that squirt bottle? Step up there.
Look how they're so happy when you pick them up. Look how happy they are.
Want to dance?
Hi.
Dance.
What's his name?
Babe.
Hey, babe.
Hello, babe. Elva.
Oh.
There's Elva. Hi, Elva. Give me a kiss. Kiss. You want to get up here? This is the only one I let show you. You want to sing? Would you like to sing some opera? Sing opera. Sing some opera. Oh, good girl. Give me a big kiss. I love you too. If she sees somebody with a Starbucks cup, she goes, "Want some coffee? Cream? Sugar?" He's so pretty. Oh, so pretty.
Time has really stopped. There's like, I don't know what day it is. I don't know anything. Time is stopping now. This is sort of like, I feel like I'm in some kind of surrealistic dream. It doesn't seem real.
And this is what I do. See how close proximity they are of each other?
Yeah.
And not only that, I put them on people the same way.
I've seen those pictures. They're unbelievable. And the one that lays upside down, where is that one?
She's over on the other side.
I gotta see that. That
She did that for me a few minutes.
I gotta see that. That's got to be the most amazing thing.
Pumpkin. Here, step up. Step up. This is a crossbreed. I think it's a Harlequin or a Catalina.
I didn't even know they crossbreed. Is that very unusual?
Yeah, they do it in captivity. This is a new one that I have to break again. That's right.
Brand new?
He's throwing all the bowls over.
How long have you had them?
Oh, about 2 months. But when I get them in the wintertime, I get them a biting me.
Yeah.
And I take them to Old Town and let them sit and watch everybody else. Keeping an eye on, watching all this.
That's how they learn.
Then I can tell when they're ready. Pumpkin. I mean, this is pumpkin. Crayon. You would fall in love with him? Huh? You stop. You wait. Daddy's going to be in charge of you soon. Soon as springtime. Bye-bye. I'm going to take him away. Oh, you fall in love? Yeah.
This is wonderful.
Step up.
I feel like I'm not even on this planet. How do you feel?
Same way.
I feel like I'm not even in this planet. I feel like I've gone into some warp space someplace on another planet. And time has stopped.
Here's Raleigh. Here's little Raleigh. Raleigh thinks she's a big macaw. Step up. Step up. Don't hold his own against these big ones.
It's unusual that he comes in here with the big ones, isn't it?
Hello. Give me a kiss. Good boy. Let's go in the other aviary.
I don't think if a bird goes in a home, they could have as much fun as they have here.
If they have 3 or 4 birds,
Then it's different.
It would be the same as doing here.
Hi. Beautiful. Look at this sensitive eye.
Let's get this thing outside.
Okay.